souls, but it wouldn't tear us apart. We'd keep our heads above the blackened water, but there's no room for ideas in this mechanical place. Come on now. That I can't keep clean. You billowing smoke that swallowed the song. You are nowhere to be seen. Do you think our desires still burn? I guess it was desires that tore us apart. There has to be passion. Passion for living, surviving, and that needs detachment. Everybody has a weapon to fight you with, to beat you with when you are down. There were too many defenses between us. Doubting all the time, fearing all the time, doubting all the time, fearing all the time. The life is ever nightmares. We're blocking each other's space. We try to ignore our fate there, avoiding threats and endless wars, unjustified crimes carried in stifled calls. Would you walk with me now through this pouring rain? It used to mingle with our tears and dry with the hopes to be left behind. It rains even harder now.